We are going to review today Dell Latitude 10 Windows 8 tablet. This tablet features 10-inch fast responsive touchscreen and a good battery performance. It is completely optimized to work with Windows 8 and it offers you ideal connectivity options also. The tablet runs on Intel Atom processor. We'll check out which processor it is. It runs on Intel Atom Z2760 processor, which is a dual core processor that offers you 1.80 GHz of clock ratio with 2 GB internal memory and 32-bit Windows operating system. The screen is 5-point multi-touch screen. You can see this tablet size here. There is a Windows key in the center. At the front side lies a 2-megapixel camera. On the top you can see there are two mics, a full-size memory card adapter, power button, and this orientation lock key which lock the screen orientation when you move it from portrait to landscape. On the right side we are having the volume key only, while on the left we are having a single USB port with HDMI connector and 3.5mm headphone jack. This tablet has only one single USB port, while we had seen some other model also under Samsung that have more USB ports. At the back side there is an 8-megapixel camera with flash, and this is a removable battery. This is the removable battery of Dell Latitude 10. Due to this removable battery, you can buy one more additional from Dell's official website so that you can have a more longer working time on it. And you can see there are two speakers on the back side. The internal storage of this tablet is 64 GB. We'll check that in disk management. You can see here that there is a 31 GB free space available in the existing partition. There is a 64 GB storage inside it, in which some part of your partition is occupied by the recovery partition. This is to restore your tablet in case of any problem. While after installing Windows, almost 20 GB is being used by the operating system and other applications which are installed in it. So right now you are having a 30 GB of storage space that you can use for copy pasting data or for your multimedia file. Also, if you want, you can create a separate partition here by shrinking this volume, because this is a Windows 8 tablet, so we are having all the features of Windows on it. And we'll check out the hardware also once while going in device manager and check out what all things are added in it. This is the device manager list. You can see all the hardware configured here. It has a Bluetooth, a standard Bluetooth available that many tablet does not has. You can see the Bluetooth driver here. Also, you can see it has support for human interface devices. That means you can simply plug and play a number of things on it. There is a universal serial bus controller configuration also available on it with different system devices, storage controller, etc. Dell Latitude 10 also features some security features, some security output. For example, you can see Intel Atom processor security engine. This allow you to have a powerful crypto engine on the tablet, which is recommended for professional work only. Under the processor, you can see here this is the processor, and under that you can see 4 core of processor here. A number of times you will be confused that whether it is having a dual core or a quad core processor. There is an actually dual core processor. These two additional processors which are shown are actually CPU thread. You can just ignore them. Now we'll play some multimedia file and check out what is the audio output and video output of this tablet. As I have shown before that the speaker lies on the behind of this tablet, so there can be some problem with the volume output. We'll check out that here. The volume button is on the right side that you can use to increase and reduce it. This is the maximum output.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart.
Now we'll check out the video output of this tablet. For video, depending on the quality, you can get better resolution. Also the audio is also applicable for the same. If it is a better quality video, the audio is much better. Now we will test the camera of this tablet. The front has a 2 megapixel camera which offer you a standard output, but we'll check out the back quality of back camera. This is the back camera. This is an 8 megapixel camera with some options available here. Now for zooming in and out, you have to use the screen itself. You can see when I pinch in, the zoom reduces, and when I pinch out, the zoom increases. This is the camera change mode that allow you to switch from front to back. These are the camera options from where you can select the different megapixel output, and the maximum you keep the maximum video quality you're going to get. These are the timer and video mode options. Now I'm going to test some application on this, but before that I'm going to connect a mouse on it. As it is a Windows 8 tablet, it offers you a plug and play option for many devices, for example USB mouse, keyboard, pen drive, printer, etc. I'm having a Bluetooth mouse. I'm having this USB dongle. I'll connect this to the USB port, and you can see the mouse is working right. It's working properly. Now this is the desktop, and we'll check out some application. I had installed Microsoft Office in it. You can see this is Outlook here, Word, PowerPoint and Excel. We'll check out the performance. This is Microsoft Office 2007. Now this is a trial edition, but you can see the interface here. This application is is a simple Word file. You can open your Word files here, and you can also see the orientation. Now this is a simple Word file, and you can see that it is quite optimized to work with Windows tablet and touch screen. Now typing will be a bit uncomfortable on this, but you can use a you can use a Bluetooth keyboard also. For orientation, all applications are well optimized on this. You can see. So there is nothing to worry about any Microsoft application when you are using this on this tablet. It supports the screen orientation, touch interface, etc. In the same way, PowerPoint and Excel also work. We'll play a PowerPoint file also. Now this is a PowerPoint file. We'll play a slideshow and we'll check out how it properly adapts with the screen. You can see the application works quite violent, but the screen adaptation is a bit improper because it is not capturing the entire screen. That is due to the slide setting. You can change that later on. I have also installed Safari and Firefox on this. These are the separate browser that I had downloaded from the web. Due to Windows 8 architecture, I am able to install a number of different exe applications on it very easily, and they perform quite well. This is Safari web browser. You can see it works quite fine. Whatever application, whatever website you open, you use on your desktop, you can simply use it just like that on this tablet also. In the same way, I have also installed Mozilla Firefox that offer you a different tab browsing options. You can open multiple tabs at a single time and you can surf on it instantly. The performance is quite fine here. Next, I had installed a TeamViewer application. This is for remote desktop sharing. Through this application, when you are on Wi-Fi, you are connected to internet. You can use this application to control your PC desktop. And also through PC, you can control the tablet screen also. You just have to insert the ID. You have to create a password for it. You have to click on connect. Now through this, I will be able to connect any desktop which is in my office or at my home. Now I had shown you that I am able to use this tablet for connecting to my desktop and controlling it. Now I am going to control this tablet screen by using my desktop, because this is one of the important features that many tablet PC lack. Now this is my monitor, and you can see the TeamViewer is on here. I am going to connect to the tablet screen, and we will see the output here. Now this is Dell Latitude 8 tablet screen which is on. Windows 8. You can see both screen here. Now from this I can simply configure whatever I want. I can use the tablet as I am using my own computer. You can see I can go in the internal storage, I can check out the files here. I can simply start the Metro UI and I can check out other different application on this. So this is much more comfortable compared to other tablet that I have seen before. So remote desktop using TeamViewer on Windows Dell Latitude 8 works much more better compared to any other devices. Now sometimes it happens that you're not having a Wi-Fi network at your home, but still you can use your mobile network on this. For example, if you're having a 3G connectivity mobile phone, you have, and I'm having a Nokia mobile phone, so for that reason I have installed Nokia PC Suite in this. If you're having a Samsung device, you can install Samsung KACE also. Just have to install the PC Suite and turn the Bluetooth on of your mobile devices. There is no need to connect it through a cable also. You can simply connect it through a Bluetooth. Now this is my device. You can see it is written over here. This is my device. You can go in contacts, or simply you can go in photos and images, and you can sync your mobile with the tablet PC. Also there is an option available in the PC Suite that allow you to share the mobile internet on the tablet, but you can find that only when you are having an active 3G network. So this is one of the unique benefit of having a Windows 8 tablet. Now we'll check out the Wi-Fi speed, what transfer speed we are getting on this tablet on Wi-Fi. I'm going to move a small file from my network on this tablet desktop. So the Wi-Fi speed you can see here, it is around 1 to 2 MB per second, so that is a very low speed, but we can just count it as an average speed on this tablet. Above all, it is giving you a functionality on which you can simply access the shared file on the network without any application or without any major configuration. Now there is one more thing you can do is you can keep a shared network folder on your My Computer for permanently if you are using it again and again continuously. You just have to right click on it and you have to click on Map Network Drive. Now the drive is visible in your My Computer. Whenever you open it, you can see the shared drive here. So this is one of the good option available, and the same if you have to do in Android, you have to install multiple application, along with you have to configure the permission setting. Dell Latitude 10 is a decent Windows 8 tablet PC with nice output and desktop like features. When you buy a Windows 8 tablet, then simply assume that you are carrying a portable PC with you. You can install a number of exe files that you can use on a regular system. The cost of this tablet is around ₹40,000, which is an approximate cost. This might be costly tablet, but due to features it has, it offers you a number of accessibility options compared to Android and iOS. For example, you can simply use Microsoft Office, you can use a remote desktop control, you can install Yahoo Messenger and many other things. Also, you can simply connect Wi-Fi or USB keyboard mouse. So these are the prime features of this tablet, and in terms of features it is a good device. The positive point of this tablet is that it has a durable design, Windows 8 Pro optimized, full size memory card reader, great performance, desktop like features. The negative point of this tablet is it has a very dull stylish. It has only single USB 2.0 port and there is no SIM slot on it. That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.